Hi, and welcome to a tutorial on how to adjust your spacing of your lettering and to change the orientation, whether it be vertical or horizontal. I'm going to start by adding a word up here. I've already got a letter in here. I'm going to type the word baby, and I'm using alphabet mode. If you do not already know how to do this, there is a video tutorial on how to. Actually, there's several. Okay, I've got my word in there. I'm going to click in the upper left-hand corner. You can do this from any corner. It's just easier for me to do it from the left. I'm clicking and holding the left mouse button down, and I'm dragging the mouse so that I draw a box around the entire word. Once I get that box there, I'm going to release that mouse button, and you'll see that the entire word is selected with a box around it. Once that is selected, you'll notice up here that the alignment button has become active. I'm now going to click that alignment button, and I get a bunch of options here. You'll notice that the icons over here on the left side will show you whether that's for vertical or for horizontal text. If it's one above the other, that's going to be vertical. If they're next to each other, it's horizontal. So for vertical, we have three options. The first one, align left. That's going to align the left side of each letter with each other. Align right is going to align the right side of each letter. And align centers vertically. That's going to align the center point of each letter with each other. And that's what I'm going to select today. You can also adjust your spacing, which is a really neat feature. Most of the time, the alphabet mode puts things in a little too closely for what I prefer. So I'm going to adjust this, and I've kind of found that somewhere between 14 and 16 or so is about what I like. So I'm going to go ahead and set that for 14, and then I'm going to click OK. And you'll see that automatically my letters have changed to be vertical, and they're all centered with each other. If I decide that that is not the way I want the spacing to be, I can draw that box around again. And I've got my highlighting box all the way around everything. Click the alignment and align centers vertically, and I'm going to go up to maybe 17 on this just so you can see how they jumped apart like that. This is a really handy tool if you're trying to get everything perfectly spaced. I spent a lot of time before I learned how to do this just trying to get all my letters lined up. I'm going to change this back to horizontal. And in this case, I'm going to select to align the bottoms of each letter. And I'll go ahead and adjust my spacing up to 14. And here we are back. I'm just going to go ahead and move that back up so you can see it a little better and so I can work with it. You'll notice, though, that it aligned the bottom of each letter, which is great, except the Y should really be hanging down below the tail of the Y. If you just click that individual letter, it will highlight it, and you can use your arrow keys on the keyboard to adjust that one letter without adjusting the spacing at all. I'm just pressing the down arrow on my keyboard, and when I get it to where it's lined up with this loop of the Y right here is lined up with the bottom of the B, which it is, I can stop hitting the key. I would like that B to be over a little bit to the right, so I'm going to highlight it and I'm going to just click it. That looks better. And what a great little feature. I wish I'd known about this a lot sooner. I just learned how to do this the other day, thanks to somebody's post on the SewWhat Pro group on Facebook. I hope everybody finds this helpful. Thank you and have a good day.